What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you back to my channel where I give you tips and insights on men's fashion, personal and beard care and self-improvement. Now beard care has been a really important thing that I learned over time and I thought it was really important for me to make another video this year. I made one recently in last year 2021, but I think it's time for an upgraded and an updated video. So how do you actually grow a full beard? So a lot of people have been asking me and commenting on my videos that how can I grow this kind of a beard, how can I grow that kind of a beard. So I thought I should make an updated video about how can you actually grow a full beard, be it a ducktail or a lumberjack. I've tried both these looks in the past and I feel happier and much at ease with this kind of a beard that I currently sport. It's a ducktail version of a full beard. So let me just first of all clear the air and tell you that beard growth is a natural process. You can only grow out what you genetically have. There's nothing to feel bad about it and you should embrace what you have. So the beard that you've got, it's original, it's unique and only you own it. So always embrace the beard that you have, love your beard, love the way it grows out. And second step to this process is to actually let your beard grow. Break away from the trimmer for about 3 to 4 months. Yes, there will be times that you're going to look ugly. The beard will not be in the best of the shapes, but it happens. It's a natural process, right? So you have to let it grow, break away from a trimmer. Do not keep trimming out the hair that goes left, right, center. You know, they'll be growing out in all directions. So what you need to do is basically start shaping and taming your hair. Like your hair on the head, you start taming them, right? You do a side part or you do a hairstyle like mine. So your hair gets trained over time. You have to do the same thing with your beard. Start taming your beard in the right direction. Use a brush, start taming it into this direction, wherever you want it. You know, like I personally take a brush in the morning and then tame it down. Like for a mustache, I would take a beard comb or a mustache comb and I would comb these hair out from the center to the left and the right. So my mustache gets trained into this kind of a direction, right? So that's really important. Now next is to maintain your beard neckline. I think the ideal length that I've always been maintaining is just I take these 2 fingers, keep them above my Adam's apple here, and that's where I draw my beard neckline, right? So beard neckline is important. Making sure that your cheek lines are well defined. Your nose lines are well defined on both sides. So these basically give shape to your beard. Whatever beard that you're growing, these help your beard look neat and clean while you're actually growing this out. Next important thing is to identify the shape of your face, right? It is really important to identify and then understand what kind of a beard shape or the type of beard is going to look good on your face. So I've made a detailed video in this. I'll leave a link in the description below or you can check out the link here. Now for example, I've got a round face. Fortunately or unfortunately, what looks good on my face is either a tapered beard or this kind of a full beard goes well with my face shape. So this works perfectly for me. You can check out the video and understand what works better for you. Now the next step is actually when your beard starts growing out, the hair is actually going to strip your facial skin of the natural oils that your skin develops, right? So that's why you start to tend to develop flakiness or dandruff. So it's really important that you moisturize your skin. I suggest that you use a hair and beard serum, both for your hair and for your beard, and rub it in the roots of your hair every day, maybe first in the morning when you are doing your morning routine and once in the evening before you go to bed. This just takes care of your moisturization and hydrates your beard hair and helps them grow and it strengthens them too. I always have a bonus tip at the end of my videos as an incentive for you to watch them all the way to the end. So do watch out for this one. I've got an interesting fact that I've learned over these years. So now a lot of you might be feeling that your beard is patchy or it's not a full beard growth. So my suggestion to you is not to worry about it, embrace what you have. And I've made a detailed video on how you can manage your patches, how you can creatively hide them or creatively work with them to make your look stand apart from everybody else. Check out the video in the link description below and you can check out the link here too. And the very last point for this video is there are types of beards that are outdated now. They were good in the 1990s, but we are in 2022, going towards 2030. So update your looks, upgrade your style. I've made detailed videos on which ones are out of style and which one are in style and the ones that you can try out. So check the links in the description below once again. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. So the right time that actually your beard will start shaping up, it's the age of 22 to 24. So before that, please do not worry about your beard and start eating these supplements like these beard gummies and stupid products that are out in the market. What I advise you to do is just let it grow out. See the natural beard growth that you have. Embrace what you've got. Do not eat any supplements to grow hair. It does not work, my friend. Let me just tell you the bare facts. What you have, embrace that. Now, an important point to note is that when do you actually start applying a beard oil or a beard serum to your beard, right? you cannot apply it while you've clean shaven it. I think after a growth of about 4 weeks to 5 weeks is when you should actually start applying a beard oil or a beard serum. My recommendation is a serum because it is a more upgraded version of a beard oil, and it's evolved over these years. Beard oils were used in the 1800s, the times when people actually used to have really big beards. That was the style back then. So it was invented by a London-based barber. But times have upgraded. You need to upgrade the products that you use as well. So go for a beard serum, but start using it after 4 to 5 weeks of beard growth. Thanks a lot for tuning in, friends. This is me, Rahul Badisra, signing out, and I'm going to see you soon next week, Thursday at 9:15 a.m. And always remember, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game. And a humble request to you is that please help me grow this channel. I think my word, as many people as I can get it out to, it'll be really kind of you to support me in this journey. Do like this video. Don't forget to comment if you really have anything to discuss with me. I always respond. You can find me on my Instagram handle at badisra.r. And of course, do share this video with your friends, whoever are looking forward to their beard growth journey. And I wish you all the best. Embrace what you've got. Love your beards. It is equivalent to women's makeup. That's the answer. The right kind of beards. Cheers.